I've been wanting to try something for a long time now. Something new and exciting, to spice things up. This is my A New Amazing Life journal. My mother told me that exploring in this way might make me feel dirty, but after going at it morning, noon, and night, I can tell you that Anal is amazing. I feel so much more open and ready to receive. I don't care if it gives me a reputation. I want to shout it from the rooftops. I love Anal!
So I broke up with Garrett. He cried. And I felt really good about it.
Finally! He was the worst.
What? You never said anything.
Good for you. Girl power. Can I say that?
Yeah, good job, dude.
Oh, it's work. I gotta take this.
Rude.
Must have been important.
Anyway, I am so proud of everyone's poo-poo this week. And yes, I know how that sounds, and no, I don't care. So, on to this week's lesson. We've been talking a lot about living your life.
Wait a minute. Shouldn't we wait for Charlotte? I mean, she's got to get back and tell us what she did this week.
Yeah, you don't want to know what Charlotte did this week.
Well, now you gotta tell us.
Okay, so, first, and then,
Claire?
yes?
Charlotte sent me here for our date.
Charlotte?
These are for you. They're for you.
No, Charlotte!
No, they're for
No,
you.
wait, go
Where
away!
are you going?
Stay! My hand's in there!
These are for you.
But the worst of it was the cake.
What about a cake?
She left a cake on my doorstep.
That doesn't sound so bad.
Get in here! What are you doing? They'll see you! Oh no! Those squirrels held us captive for 5 solid hours before they finally wore themselves out.
Did you tell Charlotte?
No way! She would have just tried to fix it, and I can only imagine how much worse that would get. Charlotte is just so clingy, and she's so needy. It's like being the victim of a super hyper puppy who literally wants to lick your face off.
Is that really how you feel?
I'll get it. Claire. You.
No! You. This was supposed to be the cherry on top of the Perpetuate Only Optimism Sundae that I made for you.
Who are they?
They are the Fembops.
Fembop.
The all-female barbershop quartet that I hired to give Claire what she's always wanted. To go viral. No, not now.
Charlotte, it's okay. I'm sure she really didn't mean to.
Lauren, don't bother. I was just trying to make her happy.
'Cause I'm happy.
Oh, no, stop! All I've ever tried to do is impress you.
Impress me? Why would you want to do that? What a waste of time. Just let it go.
Let it go.
No! She doesn't deserve you.
Look, everything you do is just too much, okay? You're embarrassing yourself. Stop trying so hard.
I can't watch this.
It's like a car crash. I can't look away.
You know who tries too hard? You. You don't care about any of us. You don't care about this group. This group is all about you and you wanting approval and you needing to be liked and having the most shares and the most comments and the most views. And when I give those things to you, you always reject them. Why do you always reject me?
You're being ridiculous.
Well, if that's what you think, then you should look in a mirror. Because I have spent the last 3 years of my life crafting myself into you. And you know what? I'm done.
You know, I actually planned that. You know, it's just the kind of breakthrough that I really wanted her to have. You guys don't agree with her, do you? Guys? Fembops? Lauren?
I love you.
Et tu, Brute? Group is over. Excuse me, Fembops. You were magnificent.
So what else do you guys know?